Hey, it's great to see you. In this video, I'm going to install, test, and review the Nilight headlight for motorcycles. And as always, let's ride. Nilight 5¾ inch motorcycle LED headlight review. A smart upgrade for your Harley-Davidson Sportster Iron 883. Upgrading with a new headlight, it's about more than just making your bike look cooler. It's about boosting your visibility on the road, enhancing your safety, and improving your overall riding experience. The Nilight 5¾ inch motorcycle LED headlight claims to do all that and more. Let's look at what this headlight brings and why it might be the perfect fit for your ride. At its price point, the Nilight headlight offers excellent value for the money, combining premium features with long-term durability. This headlight is worth considering if you want to enhance your motorcycle's performance and safety without breaking the bank. Stay tuned for updates on installation and performance once the headlight has been put through its paces. Right out of the box, the Nilight LED headlight exudes quality. The headlight's housing is constructed from thick aluminum alloy, which adds to its rugged appearance and promises durability. The lens is made of polycarbonate material, known for its impact resistance and clarity. Nilight didn't cut any corners with the materials, opting for a lens that is resistant to scratches and yellowing. The most critical aspect of any headlight is its ability to illuminate the road. With an output of 3,500 lumens on high beam and 2,000 lumens on low beam, this headlight is significantly brighter than the traditional halogen bulbs in many stock headlights. The beam pattern is designed to be wider and longer and providing for a more comprehensive view of the road ahead. Motorcycles are exposed to harsh conditions from rain and mud to potholes and vibrations. The Nilight headlight is built to withstand it all. One of the standout features of the Nilight LED headlight is its impressive lifespan, rated at over 50,000 hours. This longevity is partly due to the headlight's efficient heat sink design. The aluminum housing acts as a heat dissipator, leading to a longer lifespan and consistent performance. This feature is particularly beneficial for riders who spend a lot of time on the road, as it reduces the need for frequent replacements and ensures reliable performance throughout the headlight's life. For many motorcycle owners, installing a new headlight can be daunting. However, Nilight has made the process as simple as possible. With its plug-and-play design, the headlight is designed to fit directly into the existing 3-prong H4 connector on most Harley-Davidson models. The installation process is straightforward and typically takes 15 minutes or less. The package even includes explicit instructions to guide you through the process. You'll appreciate the simplicity of getting this headlight up and running. After receiving the Nilight LED headlight, I was eager to see how easy the installation process would be. The first step was to remove the existing headlight from my Sportster Iron 883, which involved loosening a few screws and disconnecting the old unit. Once the old headlight was out, installing the new Nilight unit was as simple as plugging it into the existing 3-prong H4 connector. The headlight fit perfectly into the housing without any modification. After securing the headlight, I was done. The process took about 10 minutes and I encountered no issues. The difference was immediately noticeable after hitting the road with the new Nilight LED headlight. The increased brightness provided by the 3,500 lumens on high beam and 2,000 lumens on low beam made nighttime riding much safer and comfortable. The headlight's wide beam pattern illuminated the sides of the road more effectively, reducing blind spots and allowing me to spot potential hazards earlier. The headlight performed exceptionally well and the beam remained clear and consistent throughout the ride. The real test came during a long nighttime ride through a rural area with little to no street lighting. The Nilight headlight provided excellent visibility, making it easier to navigate winding roads and spot animals or debris in the road well in advance. The low beam offered ample illumination for city riding without dazzling oncoming drivers, while the high beam was powerful enough to light up long stretches of dark highway. The Nilight LED headlight is a highly worthwhile upgrade. Its brightness, durability, and use of installation make it a standout product in the motorcycle lighting market. The Nilight LED headlight provides the visibility and reliability you need. If you got value from this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Also, please share this video with family and friends, and watch this next video, and I'll see you there.